Okay, guys, we're going to be doing the 1-point perspective, but this one's going to be at bird's eye view, meaning that the object you're making is below the horizon line. So make sure that when you're making it, you don't want to make it over the horizon line like we did before. You want it to be way down over here in the bottom left corner. The further left you go and further down below the horizon line, the easier it's going to be. So I'm going to start out just making a box right here. Okay, doesn't have to be a perfect square. It can be a rectangle, whatever. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my z-axis, because as you can see right now, I've got my x and y axes. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my z. So I'm going to draw a line from each corner to the vanishing point, just like this. Well, not my best line. Oh, look at that. Barely made it. Okay. So now it comes all the way down here. So now instead of having 2 like we did on the other ones, now we've got 3. We've got 3 z-axes. 1, 2, 3. Now this is tough because you're going to have to do each one of them individually. Now what's tough about this is they need to be parallel to the same axis, remember. So when I draw the one for x, it has to be parallel to x. So my x is right here. This one's got to be straight across, just like the x down here. Notice it goes straight across. This one and this one are identical. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing for the y. All right? So I look here. This one goes straight up and down, just like that. And now the one I'm going to draw here goes straight up and down, just like that. Okay? You need to make sure that the back here is equal. Now all I'm going to do is just erase these lines, like so. And that should be it. Now, the last thing that you guys are going to do is over here, you're going to do this again. Okay, we're going to go a little bit quicker. I know it seems monotonous doing it again, but if you want to do it right, you got to do it multiple times. So I'm going to draw so it was my x and y. Now here's my z. Here we go. All right. Now I've got my x, y, my 2 y's right here, my x and my x. And now I'm going to make my z-axis. So this one goes up and down, just like the y over here. Y and y are identical. And now I'm going to do x straight across. X and x are identical. Make sure you got that little, make sure that corner is a 90-degree angle. And then all you're going to do is just erase this. And you are done. That's it.